Hello guys, today in this tutorial I'll discuss about copy within method. So guys, that we use rarely, but for learning purpose we should learn everything. So guys, to use copy within method, first of all, here this is the index.html file and this is the custom.js file. So in the index.html file I will create an button. So button, and I will write the button type is button, and here I will write on click method, and the function name I will write is my function and parenthesis, and the button name here I will write anything. So I will write here the button name is click, and now below the button just here I will write a p tag, not p tag, so I will write here h2 tag, and inside this h2 tag I will write id, and id is demo, and below the h2 tag I will take another h2 tag, and the id I will write, okay, I will write it demo1, and this is the demo2. So now save and check the browser here. So here is the button. So first of all, and now I will go to the custom.js file. So here I will create an array first of all. So var, and the variable name is array equals to square brackets, and now I will add some value inside this array. So I will put a random value here. So a, b, c and d, okay, and semicolon to separate this line. And now just first id demo1 I will print the value of the array. So for that, document dot get element by id, and our id is, first of all I will take this first id, that is demo1. So inside this demo1 just I will print, so demo1 dot inner html equals to array. So inside this demo1 id I just printed here first just simple array value. So save, and so it's a printed a, b, c, d, okay. And now I will click this button. So I will copy this method name, my function, and just here I will declare it parenthesis. So that means when I will click this button, then I will change this use copy within method. So first of all, that I will transfer in capital letter. You can do this, or otherwise you cannot do this, as per your choice, but I transfer it because it looks good. So okay, so it's not coming, so comment it. So here you can see now it's looking good, okay. So inside this method now I will write copy within method. So for that, first of all I will write the copy within method like document dot get element by id, and now our id is the second id. So here in this h2 tag I will use copy within method. So demo2, and inside this demo2 dot inner html, and here I will use copy within method. So I will use copy within method in this array. So this array dot copy within, this is the copy within method, and parenthesis, and first of all here I will write 2 comma 0. So why 2 comma 0? So I will explain it later. So first of all I will write here 2 comma 0, and now okay, it's showing error because I have to just add here function keyword function keyword, you can write this way. Otherwise you can write fade arrow function. So I will use your fade arrow function. So fade arrow function syntax is equals to and equals to. So guys, here you can see this is the syntax of fade arrow function. And now I will explain about copy within method. So the rules of copy within method is you have to pass 3 arguments. So the first 2 argument is compulsory, that is you have to pass, but the last argument either you can pass or not. So I have passed here only 2 arguments. So the first argument is 2 and second argument is 0. So the what first argument does and the second argument does, I will explain it that, but before explaining it I will save and I will go to browser, refresh, and I will click this button. So here you can see the new array value is used of copy within method. So the value is AB and AB, but how it's coming this value? So I will explain it. So I have passed here 2 argument. The first argument's value is 2 and the second argument value is 0. So 2 means that first argument. So I will comment it the first argument. So I will write the short form of argument ARG. So first argument means from where it will paste, and the second argument means from where it will start to copy. So this is the from where it will start to paste, it will start to paste, and the second argument means from where it will start to copy. So the this is means from where it will start to paste. So it will start to paste number 2 position. So array start from 0. So 0, 1, 2. So our copy element will be paste from 2 position. That means from here our copy element will paste from this position and number 0. That means I will copy from 0 position. So I will copy from number 0 position. That means I will start to copy from A and I will copy it up to B, because I will paste up to this position. So it will be copied from A to B and it will start to paste from here. So that's why A and B comes here, because I will explain it now browser. So here is the ABCD and I have started to copy from number 0 position and I have start to paste from number 2 position. That means 0, 1, 2. C is number 2 position. So that's why you can see it started pasting from this position A and B, and it started copy from first position, that is A and B. So it's copying from A to B and it started paste from C and D, because C is number 2 position, A 0, B 1 and C is 2 position. So here it's paste. So now if I change here, so it will be clear, more clear. So if I change like here, if I change 1, so that means it will start to paste from 2 position and it will copy from 1. So that means first of all let's see the view, refresh, and here. So here you can see I have written it will start to paste number 2 and it will start to copy number 1. So that's why it's copied number 1 position. So 0 is A, index A is the 0 position, B is 1 position. So it start to copy from B and it pasting in number 2 position. That's why it's pasting here, and it's copying only B, because here you can see I have written, so I have written it start to copy from number 1 position, so that's why started 0. So but A is not copy, because I have written it will start to copy from 1 position, so that's why it started copy from 1. So it's copying B, and it start to paste from number 2 position, so that's why it's paste number 2 position, that means 0 1 2, that means in this C position it's pasting B. So hope guys you can understand how the copy within method is working. So now I will explain it how the last argument works. What is the meaning of the last argument if I pass here? So guys, suppose here I have passed another argument, that is 0 or 1. Okay, so last argument denotes how long it will be copied. So here I will write here the third argument means how many letter will be copied. So how many letter will be copied? So just here if I write 0 and the last argument is 1, so let's see the view. First of all I will refresh it that, and here you can see, so A B A D. So now I will explain it how it's coming. So first of all you remember it, the new array value is coming A B A D. So how it's working? So first it will start from 2, so our copy element will paste number 2 position, and I will copy number 0 position. So that means I will copy number 0 position, so that means 0 position means A, so I'm copying A and I'm pasting it number 2 position. So number 2 position means is a C, because 0 1 2, so I'm pasting it in number C position. So here you can see this is the new array value, that is copy A, so A, and it pasting this number 2 position here, it pasting here, and 1 means how much it will be copy. So just it's copy 1 letter, because I have written here 1, so that means just it's copied only A. But if I do not add the third argument, so now check it. So here you can see it start copy from A and it's pasting number 2 position, but it's copying up to B. But if I denote, it will be copy only 1 letter, so then it's a difference. So here you can see it's copying only 1 letter, so it's copying only A and it pasting it only the second position, because I denote it on paste only second position. So this is the use of copy within method. So hope guys you can understand. So and if you have any doubt, so you can comment it below, and I will give a reply of your comment, and I will try to solve your doubt. So hope guys this video is helpful to you, and if you want to get more videos in JavaScript, please subscribe and press the notification bell icon.